Am I the only guy that found this single welt pocket with a zipper to be very cool on my joggers pants? If we share the same interest on this, then be my guest in this video, for I'm going to walk you through its procedure step by step. It is very simple. Welcome to the Mr. channel. I am Alabanjo Isaiah. Here I have a piece of fabric of length 7.5 inches and width 3.5 inches. At one side of it, where I have my interfacing gummed, estate to be precise, I'm going to mark 0.25 inch. This technique is to produce a line that is parallel to the side. We've done this countless of times on this channel. Now I'm going to mark the midpoint of this length. Then at this mark point, I'm going to put half of whatever length of pocket that I want to do. I choose 6 inches for this tutorial, and to be honest with you, I regret it later. So I'm advising you do 6.5 inches or 7 inches to be on a safer side. The same thing I'm going to repeat on my zipper. Now I am going to gum the pocket bag to the front of the pant, where we want to have the pocket. That is Emmy gum. I will gum also a pocket facing to the bag, so that when you open the zipper of the Welt pocket, people won't see the material that you use to make the pocket on the outside. Now I am going to seal it. It is important we talk about the positioning of the pocket. This straight line you're seeing is 1.75 inches away from the side, as I can see, and from the top also it is 1.5 inches. Take note. Remember I talked to you about the length of this Welt pocket I'm about to do, that it is too small. Try to make yours 6.5 inches or 7 inches if possible. Thank you. For proper stitching of this zipper, we are going to change the pressure foot of the machine. As you can see, this foot can't work well here, so I'm going to change it now. So here is the zipper foot for right side stitching. There is another one for left side stitching. As you can see, they are zipper foot for stitching invisible zips, but from different sides. I believe you know that the markings on the fabric and the zipper are not for fancy, but guideline for stitching. Thank you. Now I'm going to slit it open at the center, then notch the four ends of the stitches. Remember what I told you about the delicate part of making wart pocket, which is this notching, that if your scissors is too big for you to control, please use this small cutting tool for your notching, that your notch may not exceed the lines. Now we are going to open the seam. Now we are going to lace it with Emmy gum on the inside. Remember to change the foot back to the normal pressure foot. Now we are going to sew the both end of the wart pocket. First we have to tuck this notch in. Now we are going to sew the other side of the zipper to the welt. Before we close the pocket bag completely, it is important we seal the other side of the zipper to this pocket bag. Now let's close the pocket bag. So, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, this is how to make a single word pocket with a zipper for your joggers pants. Hope you found this video helpful. If it does, please help me hit the like button. Share your thoughts in the comment section that I may know how you feel about the tutorial. This goes a long way in letting me to know in what direction I should come to you guys in subsequent videos. And if you have not subscribed to this channel, please do. Please do. All of these are free. They ain't going to cost you a dime. Also, turn on your notification bell that you may always get notification every time I drop new videos. Thank you very much.